What if your whole life is running on an outdated energetic operating system and no one told you where the upgrade button is? What if you're not blocked, behind, or broken? You're simply tuned to an old identity that your soul outgrew ages ago. In 2026, I'm walking you through the exact process I use with private clients to shift timelines, rewrite patterns, and step into a version of you that feels like truth at last. Here's an overview of the 12 monthly themes inside the 12-month Reality Creation 2026 membership. You 2.0 activation. This is the month where we get really clear on your new identity. You get to discover the higher, more expanded, happier, more successful, more abundant version of you that is waiting for you. And get really, really clear on who you are in that version. We set up new identity markers and then use them as energy field coordinates, which can then help us triangulate the exact energy signature of you 2.0, so that you can drop your old identity markers, tune into that new signature in the field, and move your timeline and energy towards that new version during our energy activation. This is quantum level identity and manifestation work. Trauma anchor release. You have certain trauma anchors that's kept you locked into your old limited identity. In February, we do the shadow work to get clear on what they are and where they come from. This is often from childhood or echoing past life patterns that we bring into this life. Before we can really finally replace and recode these anchors in the template recoding work that we do next month, we first need to lessen the emotional charge surrounding them. Think of this as energetic bomb diffusal, where we need to unhook the triggers, the emotional tangle around the energy imprints or templates, in order to be able to map out the schematics of the bomb itself. Template recoding. In template recoding, we build on the work of last month and we recode the subconscious energy program, the bomb in the previous analogy, that has been running your life and kept you trauma anchored in that old identity. Think of it as installing a new, more helpful program and then flushing that new program through your body, your energy system, your timeline, both backwards and forwards. This shifts the deeper blueprint you use to create your life. Patterns, defaults, unconscious rules get upgraded so that new outcomes feel possible. You begin to feel your inner settings line up with the future that you want. Energizing your vision. In April, we built further on your vision of you 2.0 and energize that vision within the field. Think of it like jump-starting a battery. You gather energy and you send it towards that vision or version of you. You shape a future self that feels natural, grounded, and doable. Lessen resistance or friction and activate your vision to become a living map instead of a distant dream. Limiting belief anchors. May is about identifying the belief structures, or what I call limiting belief anchors, that are running the show. This isn't rooted in specific traumas you experienced, like the work that we did in February. This is more about collective belief systems, education, and authorities, the things that shaped how you view life, reality, your role, the possibilities, money, work, and abundance. We replace them with aligned mental coding that supports your new timeline, so that your mind stops arguing with your desires and start partnering with them. You 2.0 identity anchors. June is where we really get aligned with You 2.0 because instead of the limiting belief anchors and trauma anchors that kept you stuck in the new identity, we now create powerful new anchors related to You 2.0. These strengthen the new self so it stays stable, present, and magnetic. We build anchors in your energy, mind, and daily life that reinforce who you're becoming, and your new identity starts feeling automatic, not like effort. Energy balance reset. July is when we clear and rebuild your field. You learn how your energy leaks, expands, and interacts with the world around you. We look at how your inner masculine, the doing part, and feminine, the flowy being part, needs to be in balance for manifestation to truly flow. How people pleasing and not being assertive enough dims your energy field, and how attempts to control the manifesting process lessens the energy by leaking it into the future. How to walk fully powered in the present with You 2.0 wrapped around you like a second skin. This month shifts how you hold yourself in every room you enter. Soul Light Infusion. August is about amplifying your soul frequency. You learn how to embody your soul more fully in your daily life and choices. And we do a soul body fusion process to bring more of your soul's light down into the physical body, grounding the energy so that you become a walking soul transmitter with the impact, connection, and abundance that you desire. Your inner guidance becomes louder than the outside noise. Coherence practices. Here we look at how your soul's blueprint for this life underscores or erases your progress towards your manifestation desires. We also bring mind, body, soul, and action into coherence, identifying areas of resistance or friction in the process. Coherence creates the inner stability that produces outer results so that you can start experiencing momentum instead of resistance. Building your wealth pyramid. The focus for October is to view your wealth as a layered pyramid. Your financial identity and results are only the topmost part of that pyramid. By working with the more foundational layers, we build energetic, practical, and behavioral wealth alignment from the ground up. This stabilizes a new relationship with money that supports long-term growth. Quantum gratitude and vessel stabilization. We activate a higher state of receiving through quantum level gratitude. You learn how gratitude alters timelines, expands possibility, and signals the field to return more of what aligns with your growth. We work on stabilizing your energy vessel to expand your receiving capability so your wins, insights, and breakthroughs compound instead of evaporating. Integration and embodiment. In December, we anchor everything that you've built. If you think of life as a spiral, you need to integrate your shifts, close out old timelines, and anchor yourself into the expanded future that you've created throughout the year, so that you close the year with a stable identity, a coherent field, and a clear next chapter. Your new way of being, You 2.0, becomes your new baseline. So here's the invitation. If your soul has been tapping its foot, sighing at your excuses, trying to nudge you into your next chapter, this is your sign. You're not here to loop through the same lessons. You're here to stabilize a new identity, a new field, a new way of creating your life. Every month in the Reality Creation Portal rewires something deeper in you. By December, you're not trying to manifest from who you were. You're choosing from who you've become. If you want this year to leave a mark on your actual life, not only your journal, join me for this amazing journey. Your future self wants in.